In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order your Gmail inbox by size. This can be a particularly handy trick if you're looking to clear up some space in your account without having to sift through countless emails manually. With our ever-growing email lists and attachments, it's easy to run out of space. Thankfully, there's a simple way to find your storage-guzzling emails and deal with them efficiently. Let's get started. First, fire up your preferred web browser and head over to the Google search page. In the search bar, type "How to order Gmail by size" and hit enter. You'll likely see various results, but what we are interested in is getting the most relevant one that addresses organizing Gmail by size. Once you've done that, you'll be equipped with the basic overview on how to proceed with ordering your emails by size, which can be incredibly useful for quickly identifying the largest items clogging up your storage. Next, navigate straight to your Gmail account. If you're not already logged in, use your credentials to access your inbox. At this point, it can be helpful to have a quick overview of your current usage, so be sure to check the bottom of the left sidebar where it tells you how much storage space you've used. This will give you an indication of how much space you might want to clear out. Right, now let's get into actually sorting those emails. You'll want to use Gmail's search feature for this. In the search bar at the top, type in the command has attachment larger but 10M. This search will bring up emails that have attachments larger than 10 megabytes, which are typically your biggest space consumers. Adjust the 10M part of the search query to filter different sizes of emails as needed. For example, if you want smaller emails, you could change this to 5M or smaller depending on your needs. Have your results? Great! This is where the real cleaning starts. Go through the emails and decide what you can delete or perhaps download attachments from to keep your emails but clear some space. If the email is no longer necessary, clear it out. If attachments are the main issue but you'd still want to keep the email, consider downloading those attachments to an external source, such as Google Drive or your computer, then removing them from your emails. By following these simple steps, you can free up valuable space in your Gmail without having to stress over manually examining every email you've received. I hope you found this guide helpful and that your inbox is much cleaner and more manageable. Thank you for tuning in and have fun organizing your digital space.